My name is Sean Lamb. I studied at the University of New Brunswick in Fredericton, and my main focus has been on growth and yield in spruce plantations. So for the AWARE project, I've been working on imputing tree level inventory for LiDAR grid cells with the purpose of being able to forecast that inventory forward in time and make operational decisions at the grid cell level and improve strategic planning as well into the future. So the major results from my research were that we can impute tree level inventory for LiDAR grid cells using existing inventory data, and that inventory data, or the imputed tree level inventory, allows us to forecast that inventory forward in time. And we found that the harvest volumes that we were observing on the ground were statistically equivalent to what we were getting from our forecasted inventory. And this was an improvement, whereas the old LiDAR inventory was found to be statistically unequivalent to what we were finding from the harvest volumes. So even after 3 to 5 years of growth, that LiDAR became unusable just because of the difference we were seeing. So this really improves the ability to make operational decisions with older LiDAR data. So the benefits of my research is that it's already being used to influence how forestry is being done in New Brunswick and elsewhere. So New Brunswick Energy and Resource Development and J.D. Irving are using this method to forecast their inventory and extend the life of expensive LiDAR derived inventory acquisition. So it allows forest managers to make operational decisions with older LiDAR inventory before that LiDAR is refreshed with a new LiDAR acquisition in the future. So one of the major benefits of working in a large team like AWARE is that you get to bounce ideas off of other researchers that you otherwise wouldn't have access to. And as we're doing these annual general meetings, we get to update people on what we're doing, and we have input from a bunch of leading edge researchers and other students on how we can improve our results. And this is something that really wouldn't be available to us if we were doing our projects within a bubble. So this larger group allows all of us to work together and help each other on our different projects and ultimately improve the results in the end. I think the most interesting thing I've learned from my research with AWARE is how our research can be used and picked up by industry or by government when you're in this sort of environment. So since we're constantly presenting ideas and results to them, they can use those ideas and results immediately rather than waiting for a publication that they would read down the line. So it opens you up to people that you wouldn't otherwise have access to. And so that was a really interesting part of it, seeing your work actually be taken on by industry and government and be used in operational or strategic level planning.